Sturdy stainless steel turner effortlessly lifts, flips, chops and drains. Broad head has extra surface area to flip large patties, pancakes and more. Perforated head drains away cooking fat and keeps food from sticking. Soft, comfortable, non-slip grip, even when wet. Sleek, polished design for kitchen-to-table appeal. Dishwasher safe. Whether you're frying eggs or transferring cookies from sheet pans to cooling racks, the right tool makes any cooking task a pleasure. The OXO Good Grips stainless steel turner is ideal for flipping delicate fish fillets, burgers and more. The stainless steel head is sturdy enough to chop ground meat as it browns and wide enough to turn pancakes and 3-egg omelets with total confidence. The perforations allow you to drain away cooking fat as you lift, and they help food slide easily off the turner as you transfer it from pan to plate. The comfortable, non-slip handle stays put in your hand, whether it's wet or dry. The polished, sleek design is perfect in the kitchen or at the dinner table. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Great ladle. Finally, after many years of cooking soup and stuff, I finally decided to purchase a ladle. Wish I would have brought this a lot sooner. It was such a pain using a big spoon to scoop up soup or sauce. I decided to attach some pics to show you what type of spoon I was using, which is right next to the new OXO ladle that I recently purchased. It would take a lot longer pouring from stockpot to bowl, and it was messy too. In the past I purchased OXO products and was really impressed. This ladle is so sturdy. It neatly scoops up soups, beans or sauce. I love the dual-sided pour spouts. See my water demonstration video of me pouring water. The handle is soft and I am able to grip the handle even when it's wet. Love how the stainless steel shines. It has a hole on the handle for easy hanging. Dishwasher safe. I am very happy.